If you're trying to manage tracking analytics or marketing tags in 2025, knowing exactly where to find your Google Tag Manager account is essential. Whether you're brand new to GTM or you've used it before and just need a refresher, this walkthrough will make the process crystal clear. Start by opening your browser and going straight to tagmanager.google.com. That's the official dashboard where everything lives. Once you're there, sign in with the Google account that's connected to your Tag Manager access. If you use multiple Google accounts, be sure you're logged into the right one. Permissions matter here, and using the wrong account can make it look like everything is missing. After you log in, you'll land on the account's overview. Think of this as your personal control hub. Every Tag Manager account you have access to will show up here. If you're working with several websites, clients, or apps, this page helps you keep them organized in one place. Each line on that page represents a GTM account with important details attached. You'll see a container name, which is usually labeled after the website or project it tracks, something like My Website or Client Store. Clear naming makes it easy to tell accounts apart, especially if you're juggling multiple setups. Next is the container type. In most cases, it'll say something like web, but it could also reflect mobile apps or AMP pages depending on your setup. Right beside that, you'll spot the container ID displayed in a format like GTM-XSSSX. That ID is especially handy when troubleshooting, installing a new snippet, or coordinating with developers, so it's worth keeping close. Once you've spotted the account you're looking for, just click on it. That opens the workspace, which is where the real customization happens. From there, you can add, edit, or remove tags, create triggers and variables, or start fresh with new tracking setups, whatever your digital strategy calls for. And that's all it takes to find and access your Google Tag Manager account in 2025. Once you've walked through it a few times, it becomes second nature. The more you explore Tag Manager, the more control you'll have over analytics and marketing tags without digging through code every time. If this helped you get back into your GTM account or understand it for the first time, stick around for more guides just like this. Thanks for watching and happy tagging.